Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding School. Whether you are beginner or an experienced developer, you are in the right place. Our goal is to make coding accessible, engaging and fun for everyone. And before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss an update. Let's dive into the fascinating world of coding together at Coding School. So today we are going to study classification of data structures. Data structures are classified in three ways. First is linear and nonlinear data structures. Second is static and dynamic data structures. And third is homogeneous and non-homogeneous data structures. Let's understand linear and nonlinear data structure in detail. So linear data structure is a data structure where data elements are arranged sequentially or linearly. In linear data structure, single level is involved. Therefore, we can traverse all the elements in single run only. Linear data structures are easy to implement because computer memory is arranged in a linear way. Example of linear data structure is array, linked list, queue, stack, etc. Second is nonlinear data structure. Data structures where data elements are not arranged sequentially or linearly are called nonlinear data structures. In a nonlinear data structure, single level is not involved. Therefore, we can't traverse all the elements in single run. Nonlinear data structures are not easy to implement in comparison to linear data structures. Example of nonlinear data structure is tree and graph. Note the following points. There are two ways of storing linear data structure into computer's memory. In first way, linear relationship between elements of the structure is represented by sequential memory locations. For example, arrays, as elements of an array are stored in continuous or adjacent memory locations. In the second way, the linear relationship between the elements of the structure is given by using pointers, means addresses. Example is linked list. Second category of data structure is static and dynamic data structures. Static data structures are those whose memory occupation is fixed. The memory taken by these data structures cannot increase or decrease at runtime. Example is array. The size of an array is declared at the compile time and this size cannot be changed during the runtime. Next data structure is dynamic data structure. Dynamic data structures are those whose memory occupation is not fixed. The memory taken by these data structures can be increased or decreased at runtime. Example is linked list. This is a very simple representation of data structures in which static and dynamic data structure comes in the linear data structure. You can refer this diagram for better understanding. Third category of data structure is homogeneous and non-homogeneous data structures. Homogeneous data structures are those in which data of same type can be stored. It stores data like only integer or float values. Example is array. Next data structure is non-homogeneous data structure. Non-homogeneous data structures are those in which data of different type can be stored. It contains various data of different data types like integer, float, and character. Example is linked list. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet with another interesting topic in upcoming videos.